Hello everyone, welcome back to Tiny Tots World YouTube channel. Today is the story of the pencil that drew by itself. This is Leo. He loved to draw but he was too shy to show anyone. In art class, his paper stayed empty. He did not think his drawing were good enough. One day after school, Leo found something amazing. A shiny golden pencil, it sparkled like a magic. He picked it up and tucked it into his pencil case. That night, Leo sat at his desk and picked up the pencil. But before he could draw, zoop, the pencil moved by itself. It swirled and twirled and drew a perfect puppy. The pencil kept going, drawing a rainbow and sun and even making the puppy wag its tail. Leo clapped with joy. His room was filled with colors and smiles. The next morning, Leo had an idea. Maybe I can share my drawings, he whispered to the pencil. At the show and tell, Leo stepped up with the shaky hands. But as soon as he drew a circle, the pencil zoomed off. It drew a dancing lion, a rocket ship, and a smiling star. The class went silent, then clap, clap, clap. That was amazing, shouted a girl. Leo beamed. Thank you, he said, feeling proud for the first time. As the class ended, the pencil sparkled and wrote in the air, "Believe in yourself." Leo smiled and said, "I will." And from that day on, Leo and his magic pencil drew a little more and dreamed a lot bigger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe, like, share my channel.